Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Cadillac Escalade versus G63. The Escalade offers a blend of American luxury and spaciousness, while the G63 provides a rugged, high-performance European experience. We will delve into their engines, driving dynamics, and interior comforts. By the end, you will have a clearer picture of which luxury SUV best suits your lifestyle and preferences. The Escalade typically features a 6.2-liter V8 engine, providing around 420 horsepower for a comfortable, powerful ride. The G63, on the other hand, boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering over 570 horsepower, emphasizing raw power and a more aggressive driving feel. While both are strong, the G63 leans into performance, and the Escalade prioritizes a refined cruising experience. Inside, the Escalade offers a vast cabin, often with a 38-inch curved OLED display and seating for up to 8. It focuses on passenger comfort and cutting-edge technology. The G63 presents a more compact, driver-centric interior, featuring premium leather and robust controls, seating 5. Both offer high-quality materials, but the Escalade emphasizes expansive luxury, while the G63 prioritizes a bespoke, performance-oriented feel. When it comes to price, the Cadillac Escalade generally starts around $80,000, providing substantial luxury and space for its cost. The Mercedes-Benz G63, however, often begins at over $180,000, reflecting its exclusive status, handcrafted elements, and performance pedigree. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize expansive comfort and value or a more specialized, high-performance luxury statement. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.